Hi friends, welcome to Cooking Craft. This is Sadhana here. Before we go into our recipe today, I would like to thank you all for supporting me in my journey. If you like my recipes, kindly share it with your family and friends and give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and also press the bell icon for notification. Let's go into the recipe now. In today's recipe, we are going to make a very lovely and a flavorful breakfast with leftover rotis. So these are my leftover rotis. I've taken about 6 rotis. See, it's all broken. So it's okay even if it is little hard or dry. So what we will do is we will take another vessel and just first make the rotis into small pieces. After making it into small pieces, we are going to crush them. So we are going to take a little by little roti like this and just crush it into small pieces. So let me finish with all the rotis and get back to you. I have crushed the rotis. So the reason I am telling you to crush it like this and not make it as small pieces, because the masalas don't stick properly. That is why even if you make it as a small pieces, just give it a mild crush over there. Okay, now this is ready for us. I have taken some chopped onions. These are not very finely chopped. It is like cut into half and then I have sliced it long. Same goes with the capsicum also, and a little bit of fresh coriander, oil, and I have taken some garam masala, some chili flakes. Now since we are adding chili flakes, you can reduce the green chilies if the kids are eating or if you eat lesser spice. We have taken some jeera here, some mango powder, some dhania powder, and some hing we have taken. So I am going to add this oil to the pan and we'll allow this oil to become hot. This hot, I am adding some hing. We'll add some jeera. Now I am going to add some green chilies. You can add green chilies as per your chili level. So we'll just cook this on a very low flame. Now I am going to add some sliced onions into it. This makes a very good breakfast or also a evening snack, and whenever the leftover roti is there, sometimes we don't know what to do. So try this friends, this is very tasty and very simple and quick to make, and also this can be given to the kids in the tiffin box as a snack also. Now we'll add the capsicum into it. The onions, you don't have to fry it too much. It has to be slightly transparent. So just work on a very low flame. Now before adding all the masalas, let's give it a nice mix. And here are some chili flakes, some dhania powder, this is some mango powder we are going to add, and give it a nice mix. I have been sauteing this vegetable for about 30 seconds. Now at this point we are going to add all the rotis, the crushed rotis to it. And give it a nice mix. I have given it a nice mix with all the masalas. At this point, if you think that you need a little oil, you can always add ghee or a spoon of oil to it. And also we will be adding some salt. Now salt we will be putting as per our taste, or if you have added some salt in the roti, so check the salt taste before adding and then you can add it. So now I am adding some garam masala. Now with this garam masala I am also going to add some coriander. Now we'll give it a nice mix. Now what I am going to do is, after giving a nice mix, I am going to put the lid on it, and we'll allow all the flavor to mix very well with the pieces, roti pieces and all, and we'll leave it like this for about a minute on a very low flame. It's been there for a minute now, so all the flavors have blended very well and the capsicum is also cooked. Now it's done. We have already added some mango powder. If you wish for more khatha, you can always add some fresh lemon juice in this, but otherwise this will be very good. Try this measurements, and all the measurements are given at the end of the video. Try with those measurements and let me know how you like this recipe, friends. Our roti fusion is ready. This is a very delicious breakfast or a snack, you can have it. Please try and let me know in the comments how it came out. If you like my recipes, friends, please give it a like and share it with your family and friends.